500 miles of railroad track in 1816. Then a railroad boom hit Texas. The Texas Railroad had a big impact on the growth of Texas City. Clusters of settlements grew around the railroad junctions.
Nice.
There were some trains and wagons. Electric railway cars totaled nearly 500 miles in Texas.
Before railroad, agricultural products traveled from the farm to ports by steamship. Business in Texas grew rapidly. The railroads brought new settlers to Texas.
These developments in transportation and frequency
Railroads had a big impact on the growth of Texas City.
Growth. Like it made more Texas cities because as there was more railroads, there was more towns. As there was more towns, more people, more cities, right?
Railroads didn't help everybody.
Didn't what?
Didn't help everybody. Cotton planters wait for cotton farmers in Christian Texas. 1814.
So cotton farmers were able to use the railroads to help them what?
To help them plant.
Sell their cotton that they planted, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another year, the cotton crop might be very good. She's gonna get Miss G. Locomotive junction.
free enterprise,
I love how y'all picked out important vocabulary words. Very nice. William, can you talk to us about the drawing? Because you did a lot of the train, didn't you? Or did Christian?
No, we all did.
Oh, you all did it. Okay.
So this is Christian's train, this is my train, and this is the train car. That's Sophia's.
So the pictures about we're showing the trains and we're representing how they used to travel and how they used to put like dirt or plants into other places or areas.
So overall, the trains helped farmers do what?
Grow and to grow more cotton crops.
But did the trains help them grow or help them sell what they grew?
Because
then
the cotton plants were in ruins after the Civil War.
But then when they had trains, when they grew crops, they could move them out and sell them faster, right? You did at one point tell me that the railroads didn't help everyone. What did you mean by that?
It's because, they really didn't have a law to transport other people. It technically only helped farmers to sell crops or maybe, search other things.
And I remember reading about, in order for them to expand the railroads and lay more railroads, they had to make people move from their houses. Did you read about that?
Yes.
And do you think the Indians that still lived in this area liked?
No, because they were putting the railroads in their land.
Exactly. I think that was a great presentation. What do y'all think?
Yeah.
I think there were voices in them.
Give them a round of applause.